Two, anyways. There's two of them down. Wait. Come on, hold still. Stop. Just don't move. That hurt. I think that one's injured. Yeah, definitely. Dave, go get him. Speed, hold still. Oh!
Sweet. What?
Go get the one that's most alive. Just aim at his head. Yeah, get as close as you can. Yeah, he's got to be down there by the bales. He did go down. Alright, take him out now. Alright, he's down. Get him. You shoot that coyote. Steve, pick him up. Come on. You see him, Steven? Ha 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 ha.